Alright, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to open up this box here and see how they compare. They open up in pretty much the same way. This one has a QR code of its own. There we go. And this one has a little tab. The other one came out a little bit easier. And it looks like this came out very messy, so straight off the bat, these are pretty similar. They both come with the sets of props and the instruction manuals. However, this is a little bit different for the charger, it looks like, and removing it out of the box was a little bit more challenging. As well as the remote control is a little bit larger, and it takes 6 AA batteries, and I think the other one only takes 4. So let's double check that, make sure I'm not giving you guys wrong information. But yeah, there you have it. See, this one only requires 4 batteries, the one requires 6, which is a bit of a drag. But the rest looks pretty similar, and so hopefully it'll fly well. And this thing has some kind of photo option on it. I'm not sure if it comes with an FPV camera or not. It's hard to tell, but I don't think so. No, it doesn't. So it's the same plane, except that it has an oddly more complicated remote for some reason. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.